Hello students, today let us start with a new lesson. Let's make friends. Page number 98. Reading helps us to improve our reading skills. So as we start our lesson number 9, let's make friends. First, let us get set to do the exercise. Solve these riddles to know our names. Take the help of the pictures. First one. I am the king of the jungle. I live in a den. I say roar. I am a lion. L I N. Lion. Second one. I have wings, but I am not a bird. I am small and colorful. I am a butterfly. Butterfly. Third one. I have 4 short legs. I carry my house on my back. I won a race with a hare. I am a tortoise. Fourth one. I live on the earth long ago. I lived on the earth long ago. I was very huge animal. I lived on the earth long ago. I was a very huge animal. I am a dinosaur. It happened during winter last year. Karan was at the breakfast table with Mummy, Sana, Dada and Dadi. Mummy had prepared fruit chaat. Papa loves cooking. Papa was in the kitchen making cutlets. Dadi had made mint chutney. It tastes good with cutlet. Karan had some of the fruit chaat and 2 cutlets. He was in a hurry to go to the park. He and his friends play in the park every Sunday morning. Karan stopped at the first floor and called out to his friend Karim. Karim came out with a sandwich in his hand. As Karan and Karim turned to leave, they noticed something on the ground. Oh, it was a pigeon. It was hurt and was in pain. It couldn't even move. Karan and Karim forgot about going to the park. They wanted to help the pigeon. Karim's Abba and Ammi had gone to the market. Karan rushed back home to call his parents. Karim stood near the pigeon to keep it safe. Soon, Karan came down with his papa and Amma. Oh, the poor thing is hurt. Karan and Karim said, Amma, should we take it to the doctor? Asked Karan. No, Karan, not to the doctor. We will take it to the bird hospital, replied Papa. Amma told Karan and Karim about the big bird hospital opposite to the Red Fort. Hundreds of birds are treated there every day. People say it is the best bird hospital in Asia. They took the pigeon to the bird hospital. It was admitted to the hospital. A doctor washed its wound and bandaged it. He also gave it an injection. The pigeon recovered in a few days and was brought back home. Karan and Karim took turns to look after it. They fed it regularly till it started flying again. They used some of their pocket money to buy bird feed. The pigeon became their friend. They named it Dost. As the days passed, their friendship grew. Now, Dost comes at sunrise and wakes them up. On some days, Dost even brings his other bird friends to play with them. Karan and Karim have placed bird feed and a clay bowl for the water on their terrace. Many birds come to feed and drink water. They want to make more bird friends. So students, now I will explain to you this lesson. Here we have Karan's sister Sana, Karan's mommy, Dada and Dadi, and Karan's father cooking in the kitchen. So students, today we are going to learn our new lesson. Let's make friends. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Karan. One winter last year, Karan was at the breakfast table with his mommy, her sister Sana, Dada and Dadi. His mommy had prepared fruit chaat and his papa loves cooking. His papa was in the kitchen making cutlet and his daddy had prepared mint chutney as it tastes good with cutlet. Karan had some fruit chaat and took cutlet as he was in a hurry to go to the park to play with his friend. Karan stopped at the first floor and called Karim. Karim came out with a sandwich in his hand. As they were both leaving, they noticed something on the ground. It was a pigeon. It was hurt and was in pain. Pigeon couldn't even move. Karan and Karim forgot about going to the park. They wanted to help the pigeon, but Karim's parents were not there at home. They had gone in the market. So Karan rushed back home to call his parents, and Karim stood near the wounded pigeon to keep it safe. So Karan came with his parents. Karan's mother was very much sad. So Karan told his parents, "Let us take it to the doctor." But Karan Papa told, "No, we will take it to the bird hospital. We'll take the pigeon to the bird hospital." Then Karan Mama told Karan and Karim about the big bird hospital opposite to the Red Fort, where many birds are treated there every day. And people say it is the best bird hospital in Asia. So they took the pigeon to the bird hospital and admitted to the hospital. The doctor washed his wounds and bandaged it and gave it injection. The pigeon recovered in a few days and Karan brought the pigeon back home. Both Karan and Karim took turn to take care of the pigeon. They fed the pigeon till it started to fly again. They even used some of their pocket money to buy bird feed. The pigeon became their best friend and they named him Dost. As days passed, their friendship grew and their Dost pigeon came at sunrise and waked them up and even brings his other bird's friend to play with them. So Karan and Karim used to place bird feed and a clay bowl of water on the terrace. So Karan and Karim, they used to place bird feed and water on their terrace so that many birds can come and feed and drink water. They wanted to make more bird friends. So students, here in this lesson we see Karan and Karim forgot to go to play in the park. When they saw this pigeon hurt, they were very much sad. They wanted to help this bird and to make friends with the birds. They even named him Dost. And this way Karan and Karim loved birds and they helped so many birds in their locality. So children, we also need to love animals, love birds and help them. So students, you have to read this lesson 2 times aloud. So study well and be safe. Bye.